Hey everybody, it's Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers here for another edition of Finally Friday. Because that's just what it is, Finally Friday, yes. So I want to show you today this image here in the Clubhouse stamp set. It's got the Happy Father's Day in it, the golf flags, the golf ball and the tee, and this flourish. So if you're stamping away. Oh, I didn't do that very good because I'm hurrying. So it's like, yay, you get the whole thing. Well, you know what? I don't want the whole thing. I am going to do a card where I'm going to cut it out. So I only want the Happy Father's Day. So how am I going to do that? How am I going to stop that from happening when I get all this other stuff as soon as I ink it? How am I gonna go and randomly ink just what I need in there? I don't know. This one's not gonna work. I can tell you that right now. No, that's not gonna be a good way to try and do that. So what you want to do is get out your marker, Stampin' Write marker in whatever color it is you're going to use. And then from there, you're going to take your stamp and you're going to use the brush end of your marker and you're just going to marker right on the stamp. Just the pieces that you want. Now this is going to work on pretty much anything that you want to highlight out of the stamp without getting everything else around it. So if you've got a flower set and you just want one particular part of it, that's all you got to do. So you're going to marker on it, and then you're going to huff on it. And what's a huff? A huff is where you put it up and you breathe hot air on it. So huff on it. That makes the ink, the ink wet again, in case it took you a little longer to color that in than that. And then see, now we got just the Happy Father's Day out of it. I'm going to bring in my punch it out, and now I've got a sentiment that's not centered, but hey, I got a sentiment now that's ready to go. Going to layer that up and add that onto my card. So that's it, guys. Quickie, in, out, show you how to do that, and hopefully you get some good use down the road of your stamps for highlighting different parts of it that you didn't think you could before. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.